Welcome back to English Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn marriage and wedding words. Engagement. Mangani. For example, their engagement ceremony was beautiful. Ceremony. Taqreeb, rasm. For example, the wedding ceremony started at 7. Vows. Qasme. Wade. For example, they exchanged heartfelt vows. Reception. Walima. Mehmano ki dawat. For example, the reception was full of guests. Bride. Dulhan. For example, the bride looked stunning in her dress. Groom. Dulha. For example, the groom wore a classic black suit. Honeymoon. Shaadi ke baad ka safar. For example, they went to Turkey for their honeymoon. Anniversary. Shaadi ki salgira. For example, we celebrated our anniversary at home. अब बताएं, आपने किसी शादी में सबसे ज्यादा क्या एंजॉय किया? ऐसी ही वीडियोस के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें.